Hello students, today I provide you some most important civics 1 marks questions for ICSE final examination. I think it will be very helpful for you. Now I start. Question number 1. Which is upper house of the parliament? Answer, Rajya Sabha. What is the maximum membership of Rajya Sabha? Answer, 250. How many members are nominated by the president in Rajya Sabha? Answer, 12 members. Which house cannot be dissolved by the president? Answer, Rajya Sabha. It cannot be dissolved by the president because it is continuing body, never dissolves. Who is the ex-officio chairman of the Council of States? Means Rajya Sabha. Answer, the vice president. What is the duration of a Lok Sabha? Answer, 5 years unless sooner dissolved. What is the term of a member of Council of States? Means Rajya Sabha. Answer, 6 years. What is the tenure of Lok Sabha? Answer, 5 years. What is the age limit of member of Rajya Sabha? Answer, not less than 30 years of age. What is the age limit of member of Lok Sabha? Answer, 25 years, not less than. Which bill cannot be referred back to the houses for recommendation? Answer, the money bill. The money bill cannot be referred back to the houses for recommendation. What is the maximum membership of Lok Sabha? Answer, not less than 550. How many members are nominated by the president in the Lok Sabha? Answer, 2 members. Next question. On which basis the elections of the houses of Lok Sabha is held? Answer, on the basis of adult suffrage, not less than 18 years age. Who appoints the PM of India? The answer, the President. Name the courts which are empowered to issue writs for fundamental rights. Answer, Supreme Court and High Courts. Who is presiding officer of the Lok Sabha? Answer, the Speaker. Next. The Parliament consists of, answer, the President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Who can prorogue the meetings of the House? Answer, the President. Who can dissolve the House of the People? Means Lok Sabha. Answer, the President. Who is required to exercise his power and discharge his functions on the advice of PM? Answer, the President. Who is the real executive of the state? Answer, Cabinet. Who is the nominal executive of the state or nominal head of the state? Answer, the President. Who are the member of the electoral college of the President? Answer, the elected members of both houses, means Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and elected members of the legislative assemblies of states and national capital territories of Delhi and Union Territory of Pondicherry. Means MLA of Delhi and Union Territory of Pondicherry are also the member of electoral college of President. Next. Who is empowered to nominate members in the Council of States? The President nominates 12 members. Who dissolve the Council of States? The President cannot dissolve the Council of States. The Council of States is a continuing body and cannot be dissolved by the President. Who gives the assent to a bill for becoming act? Answer, the President. Whose recommends is necessary for the introduction of money bill and finance bill in the House? Answer, the President. Who promulgates the ordinance during recess of Parliament? Answer, the President. Who appoints the judges of the High Court and Supreme Court? Answer, the President. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Defense Forces of the Union? The President. Who grants pardons, remit or commit sentences in certain cases? Answer, the President. I think this will be very helpful for you. In the next video, I shall provide some most other important questions. Thank you.